morning guys! Kamusta kayo? So, it is Friday the 26th of January 2024 and I'm so looking forward to this weekend. I'm so excited. This is for my post-birthday celebration and I will be with my family. Sayang nga lang na hindi makakapunta si Ate Kathy. So, she ended up working double shift today. Ang sipag talaga. Pasensya na guys. Ganyan lang naman tayo, diba? This is the real woke up like this. Hindi naman tayo gumigising ng maayos na tayo agad. Anyhow, I'm currently packing up. At sana wala akong makalimutan. So, we've got the clothes. Ang gadgets, always, husband ko nang in charge dyan. And he's currently cooking para makakain muna kami bago kami lumarga. And I've got the medicine. Ano pa bang dinadala nyo guys kapag nagta-travel kayo? Comment nyo down below. Kasya, mag-impake muna ako and I'll give you an update later on. Grocery time muna. Wala kasi kaming baon. Are you ready guys?
Are you ready, fan?
Hello! So, mag-check-in na tayo sa office nila. Ito ba yun? Ay, hindi ito yun. Iba pala. So, we'll keep walking. Oh, nandun. Kita ko na, guys. We were able to report at the office now, so we're going to meet up with my family. They're there. Bayad muna ng parking. Yeah.
So that first point there, it's actually a tiny fuck. It's a monster. He's sleeping. You can see the point there is called the snout, and then the first hump is his head. Second hump is where his shoulder are.
Here at the jetty in Torreya Bay with JC, our very good skipper. Hello guys! So we're here just waiting for the shuttle. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang linaw ng tubig and it's very calm.
And we saw a sea ocean and two spiders. Mama,
Two spiders? I don't think those were spiders. Oh, it's a pro driver. Oh, we'll fit in.
Was the trip? It's good. Yeah. It's not very far from Picton.
No. Are you guys from Picton?
No.
mailboxes. This is a house.
Not our house, but this is where we are staying. We have finally arrived and we're just heading to reception to check in, guys. We are staying at room number 23, which is a Korimako room.
Wow. It's made of wood.
Look! This is the accommodation, guys. It has 4 single beds. And as you can see, the interior is mainly made of wood. Shades of white, blue, and brown. Let's go and check the shower room. It's a bit modern. Medyo modern na siya. Kasi tingnan nyo naman yung tiles inside the shower. Bago-bago na. And they also provide yung toiletries. Crimson and Co. So, shampoo is cinnamon and cedar wood with Pohotukawa extract. I think it's all the same. Yan. Nagutom na kami. Pero, hindi pa kami nag-prepare. Gusto pa namin umikot. They do have a swimming pool over there. And here comes the beach. Yan yung resort, guys. Tapos ito yung beach access.
Yun yung kayak na pwede gamitin.
I think so. Tapos meron kaming nakitang mga nakuha na nilang oyster shells. And then meron din ditong mussels. Meron din kami nakitang cockles. Yan o, tinan nyo. May shell ng cockles or halaan as we call it. We haven't really seen any other guests since we arrived. Siguro they're having their afternoon nap or just taking some quiet time in the bedroom. So we are enjoying
We found a view thing.
the area,
Oh
the
my God,
view,
oh my God.
the peace, and the quietness. What's that one?
There were oysters like this one.
Are we gonna see something? Wow! Look!
Dami oh.
Where are we going now, Sean?
That's me.
Look. Let's check the water. Oh, it's not cold.
Try?
Yeah? Don't jump.
Look, it's all blue like the sea.